Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So now in this lecture, we are going to discussing one of the very important short answer type question, okay, based on the Standard Ellipsoid. Okay, this is our topic name for this problem, Standard Ellipsoid. First of all, observe the question. This question asked so many times in examination, especially for 4 marks, 4 marks. Show that equation 4x square plus 8y square plus 12z square minus 8x minus 48y minus 48z plus 124 equal to 0 represents an ellipsoid and find its center. Okay, question manchi colorful ga undi kada. So option kuda undi manaku. So only for this question, listen carefully. Very important and easy question ma. Okay, so first of all, given I am writing given equation 4x square plus 8y square plus 12z square minus 8x minus 48y minus 48z plus 124 is equal to 0. This is a given equation. What they are saying? This equation represents the ellipsoid. Okay. So basically, whenever you have x square, y square, z square, x, y, z, then like these problems we have done in intermediate level also, in especially parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, center at non-origin. That means h comma k comma ఉంటాయి అనేది మనకు అక్కడ సెంటర్ ఉంటుంది. సేమ్ ఫార్మాట్ లోనే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ we know that standard ellipsoid equation at center capital C alpha beta gamma is I am writing x minus alpha whole square by a square plus y minus beta whole square by b square plus z minus gamma whole square by c square is equal to 1. This is called standard ellipsoid equation, center at alpha beta gamma. Okay, and you know very well x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. It is also an ellipsoid equation, but center at 0 comma 0 comma 0. That is the difference between them. Now this equation we have to convert into this form. Okay, so observe carefully. I am writing the given equation, given 4x square 8y square plus 12z square minus 8x minus 48y minus 48z plus 124 is equal to 0. Whenever you get an equation in this format, see, do one thing, write x terms at one place. Okay, 4x square minus 8x. Write y terms at one place, 4y square minus 48y. Okay, write z terms at one place, 12z square minus 48z plus 124 equal to 0. After writing x, y, z values at one places, now see in x values, whatever you have x square, take that x square coefficient common. What is x square coefficient from x values? 4. Take 4 common, x square minus 2x after taking 4 common. Similarly, y square coefficient 8. Take 8 common from y values. If you take 8 common, y square minus 6y. Okay, 8 6 are 48. Plus from z square terms, take 12 common, z square coefficient, then z square minus 4z. Why? Because 12 4s are 48 plus 124 I am writing as it is. 124 is equal to 0. So now see here, 4 into this x square minus 2x we have to convert into a minus b whole square formula. You know very well a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. In that format, to convert into that form, see, already x square means a square only. minus after a square 2ab. 2a means x, b means to get 2x, already we got 2x, so b value will become 1. So b next to b square plus 1 square and minus 1 square, add and subtract with 1 square, whatever you will get b value. Here b value is 1, so to give the justification for this value, so you have to add and subtract with b square. What is the b value here? 1. We are adding and subtracting. Same thing apply here also. Y square minus 6y. Okay, so see, in between if you get minus symbol, you have to convert into a minus b whole square. In between two terms, if you get plus symbol, you have to convert into a plus b whole square. That is the logic. Y square. Y square means a square minus 2ab. 2 అంటే ఇక్కడ మీకు 2 నే వస్తుంది. a అంటే ఎంత మీకు y. b b వాల్యూ ఎంత రాస్తే మీకు 6y అవుతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 3 6y. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంకేమొస్తుంది మీకు a స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2ab ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్. b స్క్వేర్ అంటే 3 స్క్వేర్, b స్క్వేర్ యాడ్ చేసి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, b స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ అంటే 3 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 3 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 3 స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ సిమిలర్లీ ప్లస్ 12 ఇంటూ సి జెడ్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4z. టెల్ మీ, సో ఏ స్క్వేర్ అంటే జెడ్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ ఏ అంటే జెడ్, బి అంటే 2. వై? బికాస్ టు గెట్ ద 4z. యా, వెరీ గుడ్. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ నెక్స్ట్ 2 స్క్వేర్ minus 2 square, we are adding and subtracting with b square. Just next plus 124 is equal to 0. That's it, completed. Now multiply with 4, 8 and 12 corresponding values. See 4 into, before going to multiply, see here first 3 terms ma, these first 3 terms, here first 3 terms, and here you can observe the first 3 terms. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Same, a square minus 2ab plus b square. How can we write that value? A minus b whole square. But here a minus b is nothing but a means x, b means 1. Be careful. X minus 1 whole square. First 3 terms amma. Minus 1 whole square means minus 1. Plus 8 into a square minus 2ab plus b square ante a value enta manaku y minus b value enta 3. y minus 3 whole square. Last value minus 3 square means minus 9 as it is. Plus 12 into next same thing z square means a square kada, z minus b value means 2 here, z minus 2 whole square minus 2 square means 4 plus 124 is equal to 0. So therefore now continuation ma, multiply. Now multiply with 4. 4 into x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 8 into y minus 3 whole square minus 8 9 72 plus 12 into z minus 2 whole square minus 12 4 48 plus 124 is equal to 0. So now I am writing 4 into x minus 1 whole square plus 8 into y minus 3 whole square plus 12 into z minus 2 whole square. See how many constants are there, just add up them. Minus 4 minus 72 minus 48, minus 4 minus 72 minus 76, minus 76 minus 48, 70 plus 40 1110 and 6 plus 8 14 ante 1110 plus 14 124 minus 124 plus 124. These values will get cancel. Minus 124 plus 124. Okay, so therefore then you will get that value equal to 0. So it is, we can convert, see in standard equation, so to convert into standard ellipsoid, so RHS should is equal to 1, but here after simplification we got the constant value equal to 0. Not a problem. Okay, so now divide on both side with 4 amma. Okay, so if you divide on both side with 4, then you will get x minus 1 whole square by 1 plus 8 by 4 means ma ikkada 2 vastadi, y minus 3 whole square plus 12 by 4 means 3 vastadi. Ikkada em vastadante meeku z minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So therefore దీన్ని ఎట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం ఫైనల్ గా? So we can write this value x minus 1 whole square by 1 plus ఈ 2ని రెసిప్రోకల్ చేసుకుందాం, y minus 3 whole square by 1 by 2 plus z minus 2 whole square by 1 by 3 equal to 0. This is the standard ellipsoid equation. Okay, this is the ellipsoid equation with tell me the center, with the center C is equal to what is alpha, beta, gamma values? 1, 3, 2. Alpha value 1, beta value 3, gamma value 2. With the center 1, 3, 2. Find its center annadu kada. A square value 1, B square value 1 by 2, C square value 1 by 3. Okay. So in this format, you have to find the given equation to convert into ellipsoid form, and that is the center. Okay. So this is the total process, and this is the total explanation of this problem. Okay. I hope you understand this problem very well. In the next lecture, we are coming with another method. Make a perfect practice. Prepare well. From Shia Publishers, all the best for your entire preparation. This is K. Veeresh signing off. Shia Digital Classes. Thank you.